Chair.
How'd I do?
You did wonderful.
On this dreary October night, I will ascend to my final form and become a chair. You want me to squat again?
Yeah. Welcome back, chair.
Oh wait, it's hot. Hang on.
You're wearing a nun's garb.
I'm preparing. I'm trying to acclimate.
Acclimate to being inside the chair.
Hi, hello, welcome back. My name is Courtney. I will be your chair this evening. My boyfriend and I have been together for 5 years, and we have not committed to celebrating Halloween the appropriate way a single time in those 5 years. A big reason for that was because we just didn't really have the money for it.
Mm-hmm.
But then we figured out, you know what? This whole debt thing kind of makes sense. Let's go into it for a little bit, splash around. I mean, this stuff only costs like $25 altogether, $30 maybe. That $30 just kind of tipped us over and off the edge, so. So yeah, let's figure out how to do this. We have this chair that I shall be embodying, and we do have some spare parts in case we need it. We need to get rid of this chair anyway.
Look at those nasty stains. We need to get rid of that.
I'm not quite sure how this came about, wanting to be a chair for Halloween. It just felt right.
It's just an identity thing.
Yeah, it's just an identity thing. I felt like my time to shine as what I really am on the inside. I'm looking forward to this chair for very many reasons. 1, it's going to be comfortable. 2, I get to sit down for it. And 3, if I do it the right way, I don't have to talk to anybody at any party. So let's get to it. Let me know when it's done.
Okay, I guess it's all on me now. Let's sit down for business and become a chair. We have stuffing over here.
Oh, we don't need that. I'm plenty plump.
No. I have become professional at making cardboard bend in different ways that it shouldn't.
Professional cardboard sculptor.
Yes. I got tool bag right here for things that we might need. Let's crack down on this. You ready? Are you... That's not cotton candy. Don't do that. Don't do that.
That's how you get it in. You have to put the stuffing inside the chair. I'm the chair. I'm putting it inside.
So my thought process is to make this
Go away.
go away
Yes, please.
by making the cardboard like a chair helmet, a chairmet, and it just rests on your shoulders.
I think that we should start by taking these off. We're gonna take these off anyway, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I think we should take these off, and I think we want to take this back piece off too.
Woo, whoop. Let's do this thing.
Man, he's on it. Well, that was easy. I thought we'd have to saw this part.
No, not at all. No saw necessary. You have an engineer. Chair near.
Just be cheerful with it. Am I helping? Is this getting it off?
Not at all.
Here it comes again. Success! One arm completely off.
Oh!
Got another one done.
Yeah. Hand me the saw.
Oh shit!
That was not tightened.
Twing! This chair's fighting back.
Let go of my blade, you bitch. You said you would try and put this into a competition?
Who can be in character for their costume the longest? They won't even know I'm on stage. They won't even know I'm participating. That's how good I'll do. You're so good.
Thank you. It's actually just set in and glued in. Honestly, we can just...
Whoa!
Juggle enough and then I make it look impressive. Now it's a stool.
It feels more comfortable without the back on it.
Is it poking in your butt?
It is poking in my butt. It hurts. Introducing our other chair, which we will tear apart along with our first chair to make a new chair that includes me.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the cushion out.
Swing! Did you make sure that was on camera?
Yeah. Yeah, I had to make sure that the unfolding process was nice and satisfying. It's a pleasant.
This actually makes me feel really itchy. Do you feel itchy?
Yeah. So this stuff is always gonna make you feel itchy. I'm gonna go underneath you.
Oh goodness.
Hello.
You're gonna cut more on this side and probably nothing on the end over here, right?
Right. So the thought process was that this was gonna be a lot easier to cut through. It in no means is gonna be comfortable.
I'm okay with it not being comfortable. That means people will not sit on me. I feel like we would be what you might call the Temu version of engineers. Alright, my guy is hard at work.
I'm a worker gnome.
And so I'm going to attempt to just use this liquid stitch. And I'm going to glue up the sides of this and just hope for the best. I don't know how much glue I'm supposed to put on here, but
Just a bit. What are the instructions on the glue?
I didn't read the instructions on the glue.
So if it's like contact cement, you put it on both sides and you wait for it to get tacky.
I should have read the instructions, I guess. Not all glue is the same apparently, but I may have done something I should not have done without your assistance. It's not gluing! Not even a little bit! It's not gluing! Not even a little bit!
Hold on.
It says shake well before use. I didn't do that. Dry 30 minutes.
That's the thing. Try 30 minutes.
And I'll just be here for like the next 29 minutes and 30 seconds.
I am not sorry, downstairs neighbors. It is my responsibility as an upstairs neighbor to make all the noise. Ta-da!
Have a seat on me, see how you feel.
Hell yes. It feels like it was constructed by us. Can you handle my weight?
I can.
All right. Well,
Yeah,
if you okay,
Sit again.
don't make a sound. You need to go flat. I have to, sell the art. You want to slice not all the way through, but most of the way through. Boom. I'm a motherfucking genius.
So I got my arm. It's a pretty good length. Oh!
Yeah.
It's hidden!
It's all hidden.
Kind of seems a little bit too long.
Woo!
I'm here.
She's right there. You need help?
I need all kinds of help.
How's it feel? Sturdy? Not cutting through your arm?
It feels like it's some kind of like.
Yeah. Your cute little fleshy arm is in there.
My cute little fleshy arm?
Yeah, I don't want to stab your cute little fleshy arm.
It's like you're about to amputate me.
Right?
Wait, no, it was the other arm. No, this one's fine.
Look, I can move it.
I'm gonna be the cutest Temu looking chair ever. Shop like a billionaire.
This is coming together quite nicely, gotta say.
This is coming together nicely.
Yeah.
As you can see, I've become quite the professional at glue.
My professional gluer.
Gluist.
Gluist.
Yes. Smash.
I will check myself and get my terms correct.
Yes. You are a furniture maker. You should know these terms.
Gluist.
Yeah. It actually looks like it's going to come together pretty well down there.
Yeah.
Oh, he's going at it.
Going at it.
How do I look?
Armed and ready to go. You look dangerous.
I feel dangerous.
You look like you're ready to be an assassin.
I'm ready. A chair assassin.
Yeah. And here is my progress. Putting the back in. Come take a look back here. There's the leg divots, and we have it cut in so precisely.
I'll be a chair. My dreams will come true. And all my problems will be solved.
Yeah.
We're gonna let it dry. We'll be back tomorrow to finish the job.
Yeah, finish you off. Hooray, we've been from back alley cuts to hotel makeup stuff. Now, apartment seamstress. Seamster seaman. Halloween's literally a day or so away. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got?
We got buckets of procrastination.
Buckets of procrastination, determination, and bobby pins. My very, very frugal, beautiful woman.
Resourceful.
Resourceful and frugal. Came up with the brilliant idea of stabbing the bobby pins. Is that in there? I mean, it kind of feels like it's a little bit in there.
If you have to ask, it's not in there.
I bent my bobby pin.
Is that what you call it?
You know, you're working with what you're working with. Oh, it's in.
That's my boyfriend.
He drags his butt on the floor sometimes.
Why is your tongue going? I'm the one doing stuff.
Because I have to hold and be careful. Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Resourceful. Does my love need a model?
Mm-hmm. Can't figure out how to fit this around my head. See, it's not working. Whack. I want it as deep as your head, too.
I know, it's a big challenge because it's a big head. Marvelous, isn't it?
Marvelous, darling, marvelous.
I could have gone as Megamind, huh? I'm already the right head size, huh?
So these two are going to match up with each other whenever I slice.
Whoa!
Slice. Super interactive gameplay. Stop it! It's down to doing it like this.
You're like a little house!
It looks like you're trying to be a birdhouse.
If I had a real pet bird, that would be my costume. I'd be the birdhouse.
Hell yes. It's your chairman. It's like an Einstein wig.
Yeah, or making me the chair.
Okay.
You just keep laughing.
It's just so goofy looking.
The thing you just put on my head?
Yeah.
Are you laughing at me?
Yeah.
Is it bigger than you expected?
It's a lot bigger than I expected.
I can't believe how much focus it takes to be the chair. Is there anything that I need to do differently to be more chair-esque?
Chair-esque?
Yeah, am I chair-esque?
You're very chair-esque.
Yeah? Everything looks good? Everything looks even?
You know what? Everything does look even. You kind of look like a 90s chair. The way the fabric is kind of loose.
I look good?
You look great, baby.
I am the chair model.
Move that arm over. There you go.
As you can see, we added a little bit of a face hole, a little social hole here in the front, so that if I feel like talking to people at a party, fine. If I have that little urge, you know, if I have that little FOMO, then sure, I have the option to join if I want. Thank you for giving me the choice, honey. My man respects my choices. But if I want to, you know, if I do get shy, which happens quite frequently, if I do get social anxiety, which happens very often, just knowing that you are behind this, watching me, is giving me social anxiety. I can always just hide. Activate incognito mode, my love. I'm still a chair?
You're still a chair. Yeah, look at you.
I feel good. I feel ready to party, honey.
Are we just gonna vodka soak the tops?
I'm nodding yes.
Well, it looks like you're rocking.
I'm a rocking chair.
I didn't know you could rock.
I love your chairment. It's a little bit suffocating. My nose is smashed. Oh man, I can breathe again. I'm starting to get a little lightheaded under there.
Social mode, activate. Social mode, activate.
Oh, the bobby pin!
God damn it, Robbie Pin.
Ow.
Oh.
Ah. Ah.
Hey there.
Oh my God.
If we didn't know each other and I was very drunk at a party and I was brave enough to hit on you, this is how I'd do it. You'd probably go, Anti-social mode activate.
And then people would be like, why is he flirting with that chair? He must be really smashed. This is like my new happy place. This is a good place for me to go when I just need a little bit of quality me time. No disturbances. Have a little rest from the world for a little bit. Just disappear, you know? Feel like parents would appreciate what I've created. And they would enjoy this as more than just a costume, but as a staple piece of furniture in their household while they raise children. Needy, screaming, sticky children. They just need a break from them. My sister has 3 children, and she used to hide in the shower. From what I've been told by parents, the thing about having kids is that you just feel so lonely, but you never get to be alone. Introducing Chairmaster 3000. This one includes comfort, privacy, while coming soon, toilet feature. So you can enjoy your privacy and your you time a little bit longer. Did you want to try to sit down again? Just watch out, this chair hugs back.
Oh no! It's a little high.
Oh, don't lean back, don't lean
Oh
back.
yeah, sorry.
Oh God. You put all of that on me. Compare me to another chair. Yeah, roll that over here.
Average chair at chair height. Chair deluxe. Girlfriend edition.
Look at this. Look at this basic bitch over here. I'm doing your job better than you.
That can support my weight.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I just went through a great deal of pain to prove I can support your weight, babe. Well, when you're done with me and we're done playing around with this, donate me to charity.
You've won the dad joke triathlon.
I won the dad joke competition and the costume competition. I'm on a roll. Please donate me to a nice family. I want to be part of a good home. You know, like, what was it, Pirates of the Caribbean? Part of the ship, part of the crew. Part of the house, part of the shit.
You're such a dork. You're such a cute dork and so stylish too. I mean, that color works for you, baby.
Thank you. This, to me, feels like it's more than just a costume. Artistic expression. This is my new lifestyle choice. This is a reflection of my life. It's kind of like what you think you become. What you surround yourself with shapes you or reshapes you. And I just spend so much time sitting down that I've begun to mold into chair form. And the real problem is that I haven't asked myself, how do I get out of this? Because I'm not so sure that I want to.
Didn't know we'd have an existential crisis. Halloween is bringing on some deep shit.
I think I need therapy. Therapy.
This is such a fucking exercise. I have no ass to like lift up like the back of me.
I'm on!
I'm your therapist.
How's it feel?
It feels not bad, you know? I kind of have you like supported like a hammock.
It feels like it's about to collapse underneath me.
Change me into incognito mode.
Oh, yes. Yeah. You look like sort of like a chair.
Yeah, see?
Sort of like maybe there's an assassin back there that's gonna kill me. The whole thing shakes when you laugh.
Massage chair. New character unlocked. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.